Let's have a walk today on the island of Skeppsholmen, Stockholm. A very enjoyable walk, particularly for the maritime history buffs. Many historical boats are moored here, which we'll be viewing during our walk, so be with us till end. The island is easily approachable from Kungsträdgården through the famous Crown Bridge Skeppsholmsbron, or a short ferry ride from Slussen, Almena or Nybroplan. We took a ferry from Almena. Skeppsholmen Island is known for its peaceful vibes and cultural attractions, including the Moderna Museet, which exhibits works by Picasso. A walkway encircles the island and connects to the Skeppsholmen Bridge, which is embellished with a golden crown. It was traditionally the location of several military buildings, but now the military presence is barely felt. We are strolling on the periphery of the island, observing the historical boats moored there. Each has its interesting history displayed on a board before it. One can also enjoy views of Djurgården with its various museums. The sound of excited shrieking floating across from the Gröna Lund amusement park adds to the enjoyment. These old boats are really interesting. One goes back in time looking at them. It is interesting to read the history of each boat displayed on a board before it. We could spot boats made as far back as mid-19th century. Beautiful, isn't it? Finn was built in 1918 at Vasa, Finland for Russia, but after loss in war, it was used by the workers to escape to Sweden and was then sold to a sawmill. She was fitted with a 3-cylinder Super Scandia engine and used as a tug till 1984. Those interested in maritime history will like going through the details of these boats. The island has quite a few restaurants also. Wow, what a beauty! After a leisurely walk, we are now almost at the Skeppsholmen. Look at the size of propeller. A view of the Skeppsholmen. The building you see is Erik Eriksen Hallen. It is now a culture centre and an event venue in the heart of Stockholm, run by Skeppsholmsgruppen. We are now on the famous Skeppsholmen. It was the first forged iron bridge to be constructed in Sweden and was opened in 1861. The gilded crowns are a set of 2 crowns at the midpoint of the bridge. The crown is a symbol of Sweden and the royal family. It can be clearly seen on the coat of arms of Sweden. The beautiful crown. Hope you enjoyed this walk with us. Please share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.